Mary, the doctor said I have hypertension. What does that mean?
It means your blood pressure is high. Are you okay?
I think so. But he also said I need to watch my sodium intake. I don't understand.
Sodium is salt. He wants you to eat less salt.
Oh, that makes sense. He also mentioned myocardial something. I forgot the rest.
Myocardial means related to the heart. Did he say myocardial infarction?
Yes, that one. Is it serious?
It means heart attack. But don't panic. He probably said it to explain the risk, not that you have one.
Oh, okay. I was very worried. Why do doctors use such difficult words?
I know, it's confusing. Next time, ask the doctor to explain in simple words.
Good idea. Can I ask you one more thing? What is chronic?
Chronic means the problem lasts a long time, like chronic pain, pain that doesn't go away.
Now I understand everything. Thank you, Mary. You explained it better than the doctor.
Maybe I should go to medical school.